Hi. I picked the story about Jane Williams and how she was going to do the statewide video conferencing systems to teach state history. The first item that Ms. Williams should be researching is the state standards for the history program that she'll be educating those remote students in a rural area. She needs to research the grade level that she's going to be teaching. It'll help her realize the developmental level of the students. She's familiar with the use of technology because of professional development, but she needs to realize which developmental level her students will be at. The checklist that Simonson details in the text, specifically the attributes of quality for learners, such as the ease of access and usability, accurate instructions, and intuitive navigation, as well as well-integrated tools that she's going to be using. And that's on page 194 of the text. The question that should be there would be tech support. When we talk about tech support, these are young students, and they need to be able to get help from people if they should have problem with using the technology within the course. Whenever we look at the tools that will be used, will she be using a laptop? Will she be using a mobile lab within the school? Will these students be going to a classroom, or will they be doing something more as just a teacher computer at a desktop? And these are all things that should be discussed when she's planning the curriculum. Finally, Ms. Williams should search and research about the students she'll be teaching. Since there's so few, she should have time to contact each of the schools and see if they have an IEP or a learning plan, or if they are designated ESE for, and what their disability, or if they're labeled gifted. It shouldn't be limited to one possible ESE designation. It could be multiple, and she should be able to research and see how her delivery methods would change or need to be altered because of those needs. Again, the citations that I used was the Simonson text, and that textbook is called Teaching and Learning at a Distance. The quote came from page 194, and it was used for learners, for facilitators, educators, and administration. I thank you for your time. Have a blessed day.